Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Last 2 days, me the story be bremwa. Me ka say police for your margin say in some Kennedy Japan ne platform wo mo kan e wo na tu no police for your margin say wo mo be hwehwem na ya hwe ne kra because say ye ba bontin abeka say we yekum na police for wo mo enya hwe emfa ho de megide say wo kra no weni enje ho na etie for we de from the horse's own mouth Abrantia wo host show no a friend Justice Kwekwanan wa ba bontin abeka say mbrantia mienu a wo mo ba show ne so ebe keka nsem efa nsofo ho ene nyama no police for atonsa from a wo mo investigation demon breaker ene yenenim ba kono gravenze Manase demon breaker ne Manase sankrofo tuyi ena police for atonsa from a nini na no ye nhwehwemu na trese ensem a wo mo aka fa nsofo ho e wo platform ne so no ye behwe se ne krebi e wo mo ana. Now personally I am very very happy about this because that's the same thing ende na hu ehi wo go through no. I've told you se Ghana ha say senia oman we yete no eto de bia enye so wo beba abonte no obeka asemfo wo bi ho pe ye gitum ye wa ha say hu ehi kan sem efa reverend obofo ho a ye gitum police for tons afre hu ehi police for ekoye investigation mu hu say se ensem a wo mo ede to reverend obofo so kra no police wan kasa investigation chese enye ne kre because when investigation obeye or say Adenisi 2016 police for koye investigation omo hu say Adenisi 2006 and then ama enda me no ka say hu ehi still wo police wo prisoner na so ayehye just because we you sue media e kan nsem a ensem fata e fan krofo ho. So it is good because for me o hwe nsem a demon breaker ne Manase mo kan ya serious especially Manase say oni York ekotwa wo bi efuru ama wo mu yi akola ne fimu te say enipa kum no na won to me meka nsem we first na Ghana wo bi betina radio so kan nsem we a obon say yama odini trade dim inti pa say police way people shouldn't see it as police for atonsa first Manase anyway no police are trying to intimidate the Dabi ye pese ye hu asem ni mu ne kre. A lot of people are just spoiling people's reputation in this country just by sitting on radio, media platforms, and then saying all sorts of things. Imagine, demon breaker and so someone what kind ever will be him. I'm not saying say be at the what kind of true, but you see those fraud allegations, police what tons are from no. You be who say okay, asem we ye ne kre. Inti police for tons are from say so womoko na womoko ka say when you say and later na police for koye investigation hu say nye ne kra na trese demon breaker anyway no ye nia ye hu inkontompo a womo twa to nkrofo so me say sa wo bi nim any pastors a ye be keka nsem form ho no the truth of the matter is we need to form obehu ni say some of the things that were said about them na ne kra some but you see akwa say bonsam dienti abonsam otumi enya Adam and Eve edada wo mo no and say half truth na wiase ha wo bia ne hu say obi a wo twa ntro pa obi a na obi say nipa ko wo twa ntro but wo bia wo ma half truth say nipa ko no e wo say wo hwe ne ye because ono ana ne de ne ye be believe book bia na me read in no ye say wo pese wo obi gi wa asem di pa na ye ntro a fa ne kra kakra fam ubon say nipa ko be believe. And going back to the old Adam and Eve story, the same thing na bonsam wo ye ya wo de dada Eve Adam and Eve ye de dada wo mo no because bonsam dada wo mo now so wo de ne kra efremu ne kra ne say na nyankopon empese Adam and Eve omu bedi say duaba no nti bonsam de sa ne kra ne efremu e ma wo de ntro ewo wo mo ani so ma wo de ni na afraye nti omu nso hu say de bonsam e kan because they knew some truth in asemu ana bonsam wo kan. That is it. Nti e bia demon breaker ensemu a wo kan fa wo bi nim ho e bia eye Manase ensemu a wo kan fa ensofo we hu se wo mo ayese e bia na nsem ne bi eye ne kre se e bia nsofo no wo mo remba ebia na ye nekre se osofo no wo pemba nanso we bia se nipa kuma wode to sofo ne so no ebia na sa de no enye nekre. But you see, because waka nekre se osofo no pemba ye ni ayenim se osofo no pemba nti we accept se waka nekre se osofo no pemba na wo no ankasa nso aka se wo ho e na osofo no eku obi a ye beji atum. Nti mesre police for asem we ya asem bia edaya koma so pa edaya koma so. Because Reverend Obofo's own is a story ayenia e was yedeka. He has been vindicated. Mekai hey when he can same way after Reverend Obofo oku nipa o yes even before Ghana ngasa hwe on my way we don't learn. Ghana we don't learn. Hey mekai pa Reverend Obofo answer na when he beka no sa branch na wode nsem to Reverend Obofo so say Reverend Obofo ene wakokotonu ekoku ne ba wakoyesen sa branch no osofo bi efe ne Elisha wode nsem to Reverend Obofo so no later beka say ye ntro no na nke ho na nke o say Ghana fo hu ne say we die obi beka nsem fa nsofo ho sa na ye ngintum. But we sat here and we saw huehi nana huehi. And so ebe can send for Reverend Obofo. And that time no, Mekaya, I read comment for you guys. A lot of Ghanaians were saying, arrest Reverend Obofo, he has killed person, arrest him. Some crofone be san say and there womunia womu. And there the Obia can say, we thank God Reverend Obofo has been vindicated. Omo no mo ka say arrest him, no womunia mo he yede hu ehi quarter. Nipa kra body information be ma hu ehi accept say e yentro no twa to Reverend Obofo so no. And there some crofone no mo he. So for me, Reverend Obofo's own is a case study. Ebema Ghana for ye near da ho. Sa de na ye sorry a ne e befefa nkrofo ho asem. And you see, just say nkrofobia wo mo ye sa de no kra no e na eme ya. Nkrofobia wo mo epene so e ye sa de no e na eme ya. Ene na ya meka na nkrofo ka say me mpe Kennedy Japan asem no. But you see, even Kennedy Japan kra no ye di bia ye no pen. Yede nipekum atone so, which is not true. It will be a go through something like that, no. And also want to say, ebia, yede bibi tu obi so ebetumi aba say enye nekre, but we take it as the truth. Sa branch here na wo host show na friend Justice Kwekwanan, ono na de na kan na trese, menti ase. Wo Justice Kwekwanan na mbra wo Hot FM. Wo be beka Reverend Obofo ho asem etre, Mr. Reverend Obofo, Reverend Owusu Bempa. Nipa ko ne besi obetena wo program so ka say Reverend Owusu Bempa yo obi a just wono de occult insensem basa ne kan fa Reverend Owusu Bempa ho. Later nipa ko nankasa ba bonte be ka say eyentro no twa to Reverend Owusu Bempa so. As a host, we experiencing something like that. Nanko wo bi ba wo platform so sanso be kan say ma fa wo so for foforo ho a wo bedwin tutu because you've been through that before. Wo bi a disappointed e was sa de ne ho pen. Dan so da bi we want the views. Nti ye kan no so so ase asem no na owo hobi okokan was ye de obi na kan asem so obi na kan asem a you don't act like wo so ne so the enti America san say wo hwe Justice Kwekwanan say na wo hosting the program na won say e different no say ebia me na me host akwa say embra wo bi eba ya wo ka say wo ka tell me say Kennedy Japan ye ndru boni. You saw how I was saying me ka tell back say mesraw uni proof member kan ansem no me yes me but what Justice Kwekwanan say your host program na onu mo kra be ka say ntia na no ye say on the statement BBC ye den dey see ye oka no say erade nkrofo di boni o. That means also the nipa ko ne kan no you are acting in a way say you believe what the person is saying. Meanwhile, it could be send back on wo chantro. Nti me na am de. I am the panse and the police wa tonsa. Afre nkrofu ya wo mo be keka nsem. Because nsem hwe demon breaker wo to me ka say obi nim ema wo ne wankasa wo nua ba edae. Enese wo ne da sa keke wo kra wo ka say wo rape no. In the first place, rape ya de a enye. In the second place, eye wunia etia Ghana mra osi wo binim e ka say opetumi a woni wunia nkoda e na wonso woni wunia ekoda and you want to blame obinim. Meanwhile you took the decision and obinim na sebe wo beso wo bema e de share wunia ba animu if indeed you did that. nti asɛm eda hɔ no police fo anya hwehwɛmu ne ehu nsɛm no a wo mo kan ye nia ne ehu mu ne krɛ yen use social media mbɛsɛ nkrofo din atesem media maka tremo. And every time I say that I get vindicated, but still people will come and insult you every single time mekai embrazak any friends say lewin and so sa every single time we get vindicated. Nanso still mochina and the Reverend Obofo ade chese yehu a ni na yenia yehu ne krende se hu ehin se mo na kan fa Reverend Obofo police investigation chese enye ne kre no ochina ma wobi nso ntwiniti embe keka nsem bi emfa Reverend Obofo hu se wakwa akoyese still you get people believing it, and let the person shouldn't even show proof, still you get people believing it. I think say yes, nkrofo beba online no mo abakeka nsem a ensem fata afa nkrofo ho a they will think twice. Unche mo adwo comment box ni mo me da ase.